no vehicle, no motorhome in this lovely space. This is the hire car from Pullingers, who are currently carrying out all the works on the van. We've waited 8 weeks for this tank, and guess what? We didn't need it. They rang me yesterday and said no tank, so big saving. So I'm a happy boy. The other bits have been fixed. Air suspension's fitted. We're going to see how that works. I've never had that, know nothing about it. You guys probably do. Let's go and pick it up. Right, so we're at Pullingers.
Pullinger Leisure Vehicles, yeah, or motorhomes, either.
And Tyler has now fitted my fantastic air suspension, which he's going to demonstrate to me.
You ready?
Ready? Let's see.
So currently we're on max, which is at 2 bar, and that is obviously at peak height. You don't want to run it any higher than that. If you stay there and I'll release it, you'll see the difference.
Let's see what happens. What do we say? 3 inches?
About 35 mil I measured up earlier.
You look like more than that.
But obviously 35 mil here is a lot different to the back, isn't it, with your tow bar? Because of how big your overhang is. They're not really designed again for sort of up and down high, more for ride, but that has actually changed it so dramatically. They don't normally go up again now and you'll see the big difference, but they don't normally change that much.
No. So this is going to be the wife's job, which is going to cause egg. Because we didn't want to mess up that lovely dash. Okay. So while that's pumping up, we fixed all the other stuff.
Yeah, your blinds all fixed, LEDs all fixed, and so just step.
Step.
Show you.
And no new tank.
No new tank. Saved you some money there, didn't we?
So I'm happy because I'm about 500 quid up. Although I haven't seen the bill yet. There we go. Riding high.
I'll let you do the honours on a step if you like.
So this was the bit.
So what? Snapped it all off. So basically, that there is in the top, that's still in the workshop. So that screws onto the top of your tank, goes down, and then at the bottom of your tank you've got basically a plunger. So as that unscrews,
and that's the bit I knocked off.
You rip the whole bottom off, which is in result smashed the
Because
top of that.
when I pulled out, all I found was this rubber.
Yeah, sitting on the floor. So that.
But is there a nut on top of that? There.
So there's a nut on this one, and then there's a nut also. So that you got this. This is actually, if you look at that, snapped off of it. That's meant to have another, not this exact one. That's meant to have a nut there like that, and then a nut going up. So it's actually got a nut and a thread coming down, and then a nut this but smaller goes up and bolts that to the tank, and then that locates inside a plunger, which that is its own separate thing anyway. And that slides in there and that bolts to the tank at the bottom. So you literally just got 2 holes in your tank up and down, and then this is what fills the gap. And then as you unscrew it, it then releases the plunger, releasing your fresh water. And what you've done is you've ripped that all out. To be honest, I don't know how you've done that. That's a mystery to me. But you've smashed all the top of this as well. So I don't know whether it's obviously done it up and then it's knocked that right out of the holder. But yeah, so a lot better than a complete new tank, which is what you initially thought, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, you can see in there. So you should just drain out what we've put in there and then put your, I don't know how you do your water cycle with fresh water.
So let's have a look. So what we've done.
So this initially was the full job, wasn't it? Was your whole tank and all your mechanism. But this bad boy here is what is actually damaged.
Okay.
So as you can see, that actually separates from there. That's the part that's obviously smashed completely off the bottom of the tank, and then in the result I think it's knocked it up, which has ripped that off of the tank as well. Okay. There we go. Would you like this?
Okay. So you got 2 car payments or just 1? 2?
2, I reckon.
So have a look at these vans. How about this one? This is nice. It's 100 grand more than oh, it's a Merc as well. Look, Merc Dash. Right, just to recap from yesterday, picking the van up and having the old air suspension fitted. Very impressed, drove it nicely, and I did measure this rear end and it went up 2 3/4 inches, so I was quite happy with that. That'll do. If I'm off-road a little bit and getting off the ferries, Pullinger's, very good, great service. This is our second van from them, and we're new to all this, aren't we? So 15 months, 6 to 8, maybe 18 months with motorhomes, camper vans. They've been very good, nice, pleasurable company to deal with, great after service, and I'm not paid to say that, but it's quite nice in this day and age to get some help. Till next time, see you then.